Are you posting on Instagram but not seeing results? Likes are nice, but they don't pay the bills. If you want followers to become loyal fans or paying customers, you need content that actually converts. I'll walk you step by step through the exact strategies top creators use in 2025. Step 1. Define your audience and goals. Ask, who am I creating for, and what action should they take? Join your list, book a service, or buy a product. Without clarity, your content is just noise. Successful creators know their audience and their desired action. Define one primary goal per piece of content to drive results. Step 2. Plan before you post. Brainstorm ideas that solve your audience's problems. Use social listening to find trending conversations your followers care about. Then schedule your posts consistently. A strong content calendar builds momentum and trust. Plan themes, batch create content, and time posts for your audience peak hours. Planning before posting saves time and increases impact. Step 3. Use the right formats. Reels are still best for reach. Carousels are great for saves and shares. Stories build relationships with polls, questions, and behind the scenes. Use AI tools to speed up captions, hooks, and editing. And here's the secret. Every piece must have a clear call to action. Ask viewers to save this post, DM me a keyword, or click the link in bio. Without a CTA, content entertains, doesn't convert. Step 4. Build trust. Share user-generated content and testimonials. Real people, real results, show the proof. Create a branded hashtag and highlight community posts. Actively engage in comments and DMs. Conversion often happens in private conversations. Trust turns followers into customers. Step 5. Expand your reach. Collaborate with influencers or niche peers. Run ads to amplify your best posts. Use Instagram shopping or shoppable tags if you sell products. Try contests and giveaways to grow your funnel. Always include strategic CTAs like sign up or shop now. Define your audience, plan, create engaging formats, build trust, and drive conversions. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more tips, and tell me in the comments which strategy you'll try first.